Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be covering LlamaIndex. Okay, it's a powerful orchestration framework designed to enhance the capabilities of large language models. Today, we'll explore its features, benefits, and how it can transform your AI applications. So, LlamaIndex, formerly known as GPT Index, is an innovative tool that bridges the gap between public and private data. It allows developers to integrate various data sources like APIs, PDFs, and databases into their AI applications seamlessly. This framework is particularly useful for those looking to leverage LLMs such as ChatGPT-4 without needing to retain them on a specific datasets. Okay, so now if you can see, guys, this has been used by so many enterprises so far. Okay, and I think that says a lot about the whole thing, right? So I think it's quite popular. Let me see how many people are using it at the moment. So there's a 537,000 visitors on a monthly basis into this website, and the enterprise is bidding with LlamaIndex. Okay, like those big names. So guys, it's something which is currently, really in demand. Okay, so what the data what the key features are. Okay, so it's a data ingestion. LlamaIndex simplifies the process of loading data from multiple formats, whether it's structured data from SQL databases or in structured data from documents. LlamaIndex can handle it all. It's a customizable indexing. The framework offers multiply indexing options tailored to different types of data. This ensures that data applications retrieves information quickly and accurately. And it's a natural language query interface with LlamaIndex. Users can input prompts in natural language and receives context-rich responses. This feature significantly enhances users' engagement and decision-making processes. Integration with existing technologies. LlamaIndex works well with various platforms like LangChain, Docker, and Flask, making it a versatile choice for developers. Now, okay, once we covered it okay, let's go and talk about how it works. So the workflow of LlamaIndex involves several steps. Loading data. First, you load the document into the system. Parsing. The data is then parsed to analyze and structure it effectively, and indexing. Finally, the information is indexed for optimal retrieval. This systematic approach allows LlamaIndex to manage the complexities of integrating disparate data sources effectively. Okay, so now once we got this one, let's talk about what's the benefits of using it. Enhanced decision making by providing access to relevant data through LLMs, or organizations can make more informed decisions. Time efficiency. Developers can save time by utilizing built-in connections for data ingestions rather than creating custom solutions. And community support. With a vibrant community of over 20,000 members, users can share tools and resources through platforms like LlamaHub. That's something which it's actually is showing here. You got like 2.8 million downloads a month. Okay, 20 plus community members, 1.3 thousand contributors, and 13,000 applications already built on it. Okay, so LlamaIndex has a wide range of applications across various industries. Okay, I be also showing you guys this GitHub page where you can see more information about it, and some of those applications here are also available. Okay, you can go and just check, for example, this llama extract experimental. Okay, that's experimental applications, and everything is showing you how to get started. Okay, by installing, there is a script for it, and the full documentation. Okay, so the other things like Helm charts. Okay, LlamaIndex Helm charts, again, adding Helm's repository, licensing, everything is here. Okay, and all the documentations you can see and run it through. So guys, I think that's something which will show you that this is kind of a very serious project. I highly encourage you to go and visit it on your own. Okay, so LlamaIndex is can be used for in the finance. It can extract insights from complex financial documents. In customer support, chatbots powered by LlamaIndex can efficiently handle inquiries. For research teams, that enables the creation of assistants that analyze user uploaded documents. So, as I said, LlamaIndex is a game changer for developers looking to harness the full potential of large language models with their unique datasets. Its robust features, easy of integration, and supportive community make it an invaluable tool in AI landscape. I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And thank you very much for watching.